Zhongtuo C-shaped steel equipment starts from uncoiling, leveling, and feeding. The precise punching through the PLC system, and subsequently forming it in stages using a more rigid portal frame structure. This effectively ensures a regular cross-section, accurate angle, and no distortion or deformation, significantly enhancing the dimensional accuracy and structural stability of the finished product. It is then cut at a fixed length at high speed and finally smoothly conveyed to the collection table. The entire process is continuous and efficient, producing C-shaped steel with standard cross-section, reliable load-bearing capacity, and good installation adaptability, fully meeting the usage requirements of various scenarios such as purlin, supports, and steel structure components.